I find it so sad when moms give up on their dreams after they have their children. Because they're like, oh, you know, like, life. I never understood this. What do people say? ከወለድሽ በኋላ እኮ life ስላንቺ አይደለም ስለነሱ ነው. I have never understood that saying. I'm like, what do you mean? You're still living your life. Like, you still exist for a reason. And now you're not just a mom. There's more to you than a mother.
ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ እንደሱ ሲታዩ ምንም በቃ ምንም የማያውቁ ማያስተውሉ ምናምን የሚመስሉ ግን ውስጣቸው በጣም ትልቅ ፖቴንሻል ያላቸው ሰዎች አሉ። እነዛ ሰዎች ቦታ ቢያገኙ ስፍራ ቢሰጣቸው ከነሱ የሚወጣ የሚያስገርም ነገር አለ።
Say it again, straight from the lip. Yeah, straight from the lip.
Hey, so welcome to Straight from the Lip. This is a new podcast. We just started 1st of April. We just met now. Very exciting. Me and my mom. I'm trying to improve my Amharic. Me and my mom are bonding. We're getting to know each other. Having the conversations that we would have on the phone. But we were like, you know what? These are really good conversations. Let's have them in public. And now we have started a podcast, which is great. So thank you for joining us. Please stay and watch to the end. I hope that this can be educational for you. I hope that this can be fun for you. You can listen to us while you're cleaning, you're cooking, you're driving. That's the hope. አይደለም?
ያ ትክክል ነው። እንግዲህ ከምንነጋገረው ነገር ውስጥ የሆነ የሚጠቅም ነገር ታገኛላችሁ ብለን እናምናለን። ምክንያቱም ዝም ብሎ ወሬ ብቻ ሳይሆን ያው ቁም ነገርም ውስጡ ስላለ ማለት ነው። ከዚህ ከምናደርጋቸው ውይይቶች እንድትጠቀሙ ተከተሉን፣ አዳምጡን እንላለን። እንጋብዛችኋለን።
The first question, Mommy, are you ready?
Yes.
Who spends the most money between me and you?
Spend more money.
Yeah.
I think you.
Really? I don't spend that much money.
Please
No,
understand
I mean, like,
something.
who likes shopping more ምናምን? I don't think we know how much money each other spend.
I think አንቺ ትመስለኛለሽ። አንቺ ትመስለኛለሽ።
Yeah. I think so. Because you're more of a saver. You save more than me.
I think ለምንድን ነው መሰለሽ ለምሳሌ እኔ አሁን አንቺ አሁን በየጊዜው ጥፍርሽን ትሰሪያለሽ ሄደሽ
አቆምኩኝ።
አቆምሽ እንዴ?
አቆምኩ። Yeah, I decided to stop.
እኔ ግን
Yeah.
የጥፍር ቀለሙን ገዝቼ ቤቴ ነው የምቀባው። ምክንያቱም ለአንድ ጊዜ ጥፍሬ የምቀባበትን እኔ ምናልባት 3-4 ገዝቼ ልመጣ እችላለሁ።
Yeah, more than that. Yeah, it's expensive. Who takes longer to get ready in the morning?
ምናልባት እኔ
Probably, yeah.
እኔ
Again, both of us don't wear makeup that much every day. And now we
Yeah.
don't, like, we're very simple people, me and you. Well, I think we're the same. Again, I think if you wore makeup every day, maybe I would have worn makeup every day. But I just didn't see you wearing makeup, so I was like, don't need makeup. Yes.
እኔ አልጠቀምም በበኩሌ።
Yeah. Why?
I think አያስፈልገኝም።
Yeah, because you're so beautiful. Me, you don't need it. No, you don't need it. You don't need it. That's why. Again, it's so interesting because it's different. My sister is different. She wears makeup almost every day, especially Timothy Yadlin. She used to wear makeup almost every day. Yeah. So she used to take a long time getting ready and need a more I wouldn't. So yeah.
በተለይ ትምህርት ቤት ሲሄዱ አስታውሳለሁኝ ጽጌ በጊዜ ነው የምትሄድ የምትሆነው። ሁል ጊዜ በጊዜ ነው የምትወጣው። አንቺ ግን ፋስት ነሽ። በቃ ምንም ታይም አይፈጅብሽም።
Fast
እኔ
enough.
በጣም የሚገርመኝ ራሱ አይ ቲንክ ሆምወርክ ይሁን ምን ይሁን ራሱ ጥናት ራሱ ሊደርስ ሲል
Yeah.
ነው ማለት
I'm still the
እንጂ
same.
በጊዜ መዘጋጀት የሚለው ነገር አንቺ ጋር ብዙ ያለ አይመስለኝም።
Yeah, I'm
በቃ
still
የሚደርስ
exactly the same.
አዎ። ግን እሱ ጥሩ ጎን ያለው አይመስለኝም። ቀድሞ መዘጋጀት ጥሩ አይመስልሽም?
No, yeah. Do you know what it is, Mummy? It's like I think I don't. You have to be like me to understand. Again, it's like when you only have when I was at university and that the deadline was midnight for my assignment,
አዎ።
I would submit at 11:59 p.m.
አዎ።
Do you know what it is, Mummy?
ብዙ
It's like the excitement that I could miss the deadline. I could miss it. It's like the
ያ
pressure. It's a great feeling, the pressure, and then when you accomplish it, it's amazing. So again, I'm still like that. It's really not good. Like I'm always last minute. But at the same time, I perform well under pressure. Pressure ውስጥ ስሆን ነው በደንብ ጥሩ የምሰራው።
የሚገርም ነው የሚገርም። እኔ ግን እንደዛ አይደለሁም። በጣም በቃ መጀመሪያ ሬዲ መሆን አለብኝ ለሁሉ ነገር እኮ ነው። በቃ ኢቨን እቃ ራሱ ለመግዛት ካሰብኩኝ ሰርች አድርጌ አይቼ ዋጋውን እቃውን ምኑን በቃ it takes me long time እኮ በቃ
Yeah.
አንድ እቃ ለመግዛት ራሱ በጣም ነው
Yeah.
የማየው። በፍጹም
Yeah.
ዲሳይድ አድርጌ ዝት ወይም ውስን ማድረግ አልችልበት።
I'm the
I
complete
don't know opposite.
every single idea I've had, I just act. I just do it. Like I just do it.
አዎ
I
እኔ
have to
ደግሞ
force myself to stop things. Like if I have an idea, I just even that's why I'm even surprised we're doing this podcast on it because usually you don't say yes to things. You take your time.
ያ
That's what she mother's good one, guys.
እሺ ማለት ይገርሞሻል አይደለ?
Yeah.
ምናልባት
You must have heard from the stories.
ችግር የለብኝም ካመንኩበት። ግን እኔን እኔ ማመን እንድችል ወይ ደግሞ እንዳምነው በጣም ኮንቪንሲንግ መሆን አለበት ለእኔ። ስለዚህ የሚጠቅም ነገርም አለው፣ አንዳንዴ ሌት መሆንም የሚጎዳ ነገር አለው። ስለዚህ ያንቺም ቱማች ነው የኔም
Yeah,
ቱማች
too
ነው።
much.
ወደ መሀል ብናመጣው
I
I
know.
think
I'm getting better. Like I am getting better. Like Leeds Sumata, like 2 weeks ago, I was early to my train, which usually I'm not early to my trains. I'm running to get my trains. And now these days I'm just calmer. Like, you know, I am better. And, you know, it also affects like your friendships. Because I remember when I was in London and we met up from school. Do you remember Tom? Tom from school? And London Neversum. He was at Leeds. He was in Leeds with me, and then he was living in London as well. So I was like, "Oh, let's have coffee. Let's have dinner." I was like, "Yeah, let's have dinner." And then Sirana Buckwing, because I was a chase, because there are some. And by the way, this wasn't my fault. So I said to him like maybe 7 p.m. or something. I don't know. Again, I was an assistant at that time. Do you remember? And my boss stayed in the office. So I was like, "Oh my gosh, I can't leave. I have to wait till she leaves because I was her assistant." And working, and I was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm going to be so late." And all of my friends know me as the late friend. I'm the late friend. For friends, it's not good. It's not a good brand. Again, for my school friends, I'm the late friend. Like, you know what I'm always late, and they know that. Till this day, I'm always late, and they're like, "Oh, you made it, Bethel." I'm like, "Yeah, sorry." But anyway, that day, I was so worried. I was so stressed. I was like, "Oh my goodness, I'm going to be late." And I tried as soon as she's in the bus and all that, I ran to the station. I tried my absolute best to get to him on time, and then I found him. I was maybe an hour late to see him, and sat, and he just looked at me like, አገኘኝ ጠበቀኝ because I was texting. I was like, I'm so sorry ያልኩት ነው ጠበቀኝ. And then he looked at me, he was like, "Bethel, like that wasn't nice, that wasn't good." And I was like, "I am so sorry, I'm so sorry." And mommy, when I tell you he has not spoken to me since that day. He hasn't spoken to me. I know. I think I really hurt him. But I don't even know how we got to this point. Again, it's not good. Because it just makes people feel like you don't respect their time. So it's something that I want to change about myself for sure.
መጥፎ እንድን ብዬ ነው የማስበው እኔ በቃ ኦን ታይም ላይ በተለይ ነጮች እኮ ኢቨን 5 ሚኒት early ነው የሚገኙት።
Yeah.
ታይምሽን እንደ መውሰድ ነው የሚያስቡት እነሱ እና እኛ እኮ በተለይ አበሻ ኮሚኒቲ ጥሩ ጥሩ ነገር እኮ መውሰድ አለብን። በሆነ ጥሩን ነገር ከነሱ ጥሩን ነገር ለኛ መውሰድ በተለይ ታይም ኪፒንጋቸው እኮ ሊወሰድ ልንኮረጅ የሚገባ ነገር እኮ ነው። በጣም ብዙ ቦታ ላይ እኛ በቃ ከሀገራችንም ወተን ያው ነን ታይም
Yeah, it's really bad.
ታይም ኪል ነው የምናደርገው በቃ ግን ታይም ግን ዋና ነገር ነው መጠበቅ አለበት።
Because it just makes people feel like they are not important. Like, I remember even የእናንተ 30 ዓመታችሁ anniversary ነው celebrate ስናደርግ I don't know, like it's just like a lot of people there is a stereotype like, oh, black people are always late, black people are always late. And it's not a good stereotype. That's not something that we should celebrate. Yeah.
ሰርግ ላይ ማታዩ በቃ ሰርግ ላይ too much
Yeah.
በቃ አሁን ባለፈው የዛሬ 15 ቀን ነው ሰርግ ነበርና እዚህ ከተማ ላይ 3 o'clock ነው የተጠራው። 3 o'clock ማለት በኢትዮጵያ አቆጣጠር 9 ሰዓት በቀኑ ማለት ነው። ሙሽሮቹ የመጡት 7 o'clock ማለት ከምሽቱ
አንድ ሰዓት
እንደ ኢማጂን
ዋው
በጣም እኮ በቃ ሰርግ እኔ እንጃ ሰርግ ለመሄድ እስክትጠይ ድረስ እየሆነ ነው ያለው።
Do you know what it is? I mean, it's really bad because everybody thinks you're going to be late, so they're late. Everybody assumes you're late. Even on time መሆንን ብትፈልጊ on time ስትሄድ ስትደርሺ አሁን ሙሽሮቹ on time 3 p.m. ከሄዱ ማንም አልነበረም የሚኖረው እዛ ማንም አይኖርም።
አሁን 3 ሰዓት ላይ የሄዱ ሰዎች አሉ። አስቢ ወደ 4 ሰዓት ተቀምጠው ነው ሙሽሮች የመጡት።
it's crazy.
ምን እንደሆነ አላውቅም። በእውነት ይሄ ነገር በጣም መታሰብ ያለበት ነገር ነው ብዬ ነው የማስበው። ምንም ላይ እኮ ቀጠሮ ላይ በይው ሰርግ ላይ ምንም ውስጥ ሌት ነን እኛ እንዴ ለምን እንደሆነ አላውቅም። መማሪያ ቃተን ነገር ብዬ ነው የማስበው። ነጮቹ early ነው
ታይም ማኔጅመንት
በጣም ፖር ነው ማለት
Straight from the lip.
Let's do yours, mommy.
በደንብ ነው የምትሰሚው።
Okay, I'm ready.
አነብልሻለሁኝ በደንብ ትሰሚኝና ከዛ ምን ማለት እንደሆነ ትነግሪኛለሽ። ግጥሙ እንደዚህ ይላል። አዋልዱን እንውለድ ጽንስ ይዘናል በሆድ የመፍትሄው ንጉስ የሁሉ ባለቤት ዓለምን በእጁ ሰጥቶ ለሰው ልጆች እሱ ስፍራን አጣ ተወለደ በረት ዛሬም ብዙዎች አሉ መፍትሄ ያረገዙ መውለጃ ተነፍገው ጨንግፈው የጠፉ ይላል።
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Can you read it again?
Again.
Yeah. You wrote this poem.
Yeah?
You wrote this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
እሺ አዋልዱን እንውለድ ጽንስ ይዘናል በሆድ የመፍትሄው ንጉስ የሁሉ ባለቤት ዓለምን በእጁ ሰጥቶ ለሰው ልጆች እርሱ ስፍራን አጣ ተወለደ በረት ዛሬም ብዙዎች አሉ መፍትሄ ያረገዙ መውለጃ ተነፍገው ጨንግፈው የጠፉ።
Wow, I got it. Wow, that is deep. So you're saying that in the same way, wait, there are many people that are pregnant with mefte, with solutions.
እሺ
In the same way that um, Mary and Joseph couldn't find a place to give birth to Jesus, these people can't find to give birth to them solutions.
Yeah.
Is that the idea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah. ሀሳቡ ትክክል ነሽ አንቺ። ለምሳሌ አሁን ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ ጌታ ነው አይደለ? እኛን የፈጠረ ዓለምን የፈጠረ እሱ ነው አይደለ? ግን
Yeah.
ፈጥሮ እሱ ግን የሚወለድበት አጣ እና በከብቶች በረት ተወለደ።
Yeah.
ልክ እንደዛው በዚህ ዘመን ብዙ ሰዎች ሀሳብ አላቸው። ያ ሀሳብ ደግሞ ለሰዎች ጥያቄ ምላሽ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ መፍትሄ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ መድኃኒት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ የተለያዩ ሀሳቦች ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። እሱን ግን ፕሬዘንት የሚያደርጉበት ቦታ ግን አጥተዋል። ስለዚህ ጨንግፈው የጠፉ ማለት በሞት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ሞቶ ሊሆን ይችላል። በቃ ብዙ ሰዎች አሁን መፍትሄ እያላቸው እሱን ሳይሰጡን ሞተው ሊሆን ይችላል። ለዛ ነው
It's so sad.
መፍትሄ ያረገዙ መፍትሄ ያረገዙ መውለጃ ተነስገው ጨንግፈው የጠፉ የሚለው ማለት ነው። እና ምን ታስቢያለሽ?
What made you write that? Like, what do you remember? Machine is after like why you wrote it?
የጻፍኩበት ምክንያት ምንድን ነው መሰለሽ? አንዳንድ ጊዜ ብዙ ቦታ በቃ በስራ ቦታ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ በቤተክርስቲያን አካባቢ ሊሆን ይችላል። ውስጣቸው እኮ ሰም ፖቴንሻል አለ፣ ግን ሰው አይረዳቸውም፣ ስፍራ አይሰጣቸውም። በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ ሰምተሽ እንደሆነ አሁን አንዳንድ ላይፍ ስቶሪዎች እሰማለሁኝ ማለት ነው። የዚህ ሀገር አሁን ቸርችል ነው የሚባለው ሰውዬ
Churchill, yeah. The Prime Minister.
ስሰማ የሚገርምሽ ብዙ ጊዜ ከትምህርት የወደደ ብዙ ኤክስፔክት ያልተደረገ አቴንሽን ያልተሰጠው ግን መሪ ሲሆን ወደ መሪነት ሲመጣ ግን በቃ የማይረሳ ሰው ሆነ ማለት ነው። ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ እንደሱ ሲታዩ ምንም በቃ የማያውቁ ማያስተውሉ ምናምን የሚመስሉ ግን ውስጣቸው በጣም ትልቅ ፖቴንሻል ያላቸው ሰዎች አሉ። እነዛ ሰዎች ቦታ ቢያገኙ ስፍራ ቢሰጣቸው ከነሱ የሚወጣ የሚያስገርም ነገር አለ የሚል ሀሳብ ነው ያለው ግጥሙ ማለት ነው። እና በጣም
I so agree with you, Mom. And it's so crazy, Mikatum. I have been thinking about this. I have been thinking about this for so long now. Like, literally, I think I had this conversation. Do you know what's so crazy? Because I was like, I don't even know where to start because this is so crazy. Like, I've genuinely been thinking about this for maybe 2 weeks straight. Because I'm thinking, I was like, I want to start a business. You know how I am, Mommy. You know,
yeah.
like, I'm gonna start a business where I support like Ethiopian moms and like women on like helping them, you know, encouraging them to start their thing. And it naturally, I am so encouraged. Like, I really love encouraging and supporting people with their dreams. There's a guy at my church. He is, what, 70, 75 years old. And I don't know, guitar out, he loves music. I don't know, but have I told you about him, Mommy?
No.
Have I not told you about him?
Maybe that's the chocolate.
Maybe. So basically, guitar and he sings as well. And I was talking to him because his wife is not well, and he's really been upset about his wife. She keeps going in and out of hospital, and now, you know, yeah, him. So I said to him one day, I was like, I just realized everybody will be asking, how is she? How is she? How is she? And then one day I was like, how are you? I was good. I was like, how are you? And then he said, I'm okay, ምናምን. And then I was like, what makes you happy? አልኩት. He's like, I really love my music. I love playing music. Sometimes ይጫወታል church ውስጥ, like መድረክ ላይ. And sometimes he has events at church for his music. And like he releases songs and stuff, bless him. And then I was like, you know what? You should really, share your music. Like if you want people to listen to you, should share it on Instagram. I said, like older people, እንደዚህ ሲያደርጉ Instagram ላይ ሰው ደስ ይለዋል. Like they want to support them because it's not common for older people to be on social media. So if you're on social media, guitar release, like people are gonna love it. You should post it. He's like, are you sure? I was like, yeah. So he created an Instagram account. And then maybe like 2 months later, he's like, Bethel, I haven't posted. Because sometimes I'm like, have you posted, London? No, I haven't posted. He's like, but he has this dream. He has this passion. And like he sings when I'm Beethoven's skin. He has like a fear. He must be scared of something. And I'm just thinking, like, he's 70, 75. He's not going to live for very much longer. Like, he should really try. He should really try. He's posted 2 videos. Na video chum post ከማድረጉ በፊት he sends it to me. He's like, Bethel, should I post this? He's like, yeah. I'm like, yeah, post it. And then he posts it, but he doesn't do anything with it. Like there's nothing more. And do you know what it is for me? I really believe everybody. We talked about this before. We talked about passion and money. We talked about, university. Again, both agreed that we really believe that everybody's born with something. And now some people might not know. They might not know what it is. And that it might not be singing or dancing or poetry, or it might not be that. It might be like operations, engineering, medicine. Like it might be something completely different. It might be a passion for building, construction. It might be something so different. Again, I really truly believe that everybody has something. And now, when people don't use their potential and explore their passion, it really breaks my heart because it's so sad. And I look at that, some people, they look like normal people, and now when they do something, you're like, wow. Like you're like, wow. I can't believe like you're this person, Tiaglish. Because you just see them in their God-given environment, and they're so powerful in that place. Like I have a Adling in also. And now she doesn't, she's great, she's nice, like she's fun. But when she's working, she is like the smartest person you'll ever know. So smart. And that to the point where people see her and she doesn't see it herself. She's like, really? I'm like, yeah, you're so good at this. So she's confused. Yeah, she's like, what are people talking? Good, it's her natural ability. She's so good at things. But yeah, so it is. I have so much to say about this topic. And also, like, Mummy, you can interrupt me at any point. But also, I also see mums, like, Mum, and I push you all the time. I really do. Like I push you to do things. Again, I find it so sad when mums give up on their dreams after they have their children. Because they're like, oh, like, life. I never understood this. What do people say? ከወለድሽ በኋላ እኮ life ስላንቺ አይደለም ስለነሱ ነው. I have never understood that saying. I'm like, what do you mean? You're still living your life. Like, you still exist for a reason. And now you're not just a mom. There's more to you than a mother. That's one of your jobs, but it's not your whole identity. And now, I don't know. I have so many things to say about this. But anyway, go on, Mom, please. What do you think?
ምንድነው መሰለሽ እግዚአብሔር እንዳልሽው በሰዎች ሁሉ ውስጥ ፖቴንሻል አስቀምጧል። ግን ያ ፖቴንሻል እንዲወጣ የተመቻቸ ነገር ያስፈልገዋል። ለምሳሌ እንኳን ሰው ለምሳሌ ፊሽ አክቲቭ የሚሆነው ውሃ ውስጥ ነው አይደለ? ግን ከውሃ ካወጣሽው መሬት ላይ ካስቀመጥሽው ፖቴንሻሉ ይጠፋል።
Oh, that's so good. That's
ያ
so good. It's so true.
ለምሳሌ ደግሞ ወፎች በርድስ አየር ላይ ነው የእነሱ ኢንቫይሮንመንት አይደለ? አየር ላይ ይበራሉ። ዳስ ዴር ላይ ውሃ ውስጥ ብትከቻቸውስ ቦታቸው አይደለም፣
Yeah.
ቦታቸው አይደለም።
Except if you're a
ስለዚህ
penguin.
ሰው ሁሉ አለው፣ ግን አንዳንድ ጊዜ አይመቻችም። በቃ አሁን ለምሳሌ ሴት እንዳልሽው እናት ከወለደች በኋላ አልተመቻትም ከልጇ ጋራ ብዙ ነገር ነው የሚይዛት። ሰው ግን ሁሉ ነገር ከተመቻቸለት የሚያወጣው ነገር አለ፣ የሚያወጣው ነገር አለ። ለምን ዳስ ቦታው እዛ በውስጣቸው ላለው ነገር የሚያወጡበት ቦታ አገኙ ማለት ነው። ኢንቫይሮንሜንት ተስተካከለ፣ ተመቻቸው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቦታ ያስፈልጋል እና ዛሬም ይኖራሉ በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች እኮ አላቸው፣ ግን የሆነ ነገር ጎድሏል፣ የሆነ ያልተመቸ ነገር አለ። ስለዚህ እንደ ስራ ፈት ይቆጠራሉ፣ ምንም እንደማያውቁ ይቆጠራሉ፣ እንደ ሞኝ ይቆጠራሉ። ግን ያልተመቸ ነገር ወይ የጤና ችግር ሊኖር ይችላል፣ ወይ የገንዘብ ችግር። ይሄ ሁሉ ምንድነው ኢንቫይሮንመንት ይኖራል ያልተመቸ ነገር እንጂ ሰው እኔ አንድ ጊዜ የማስታውሰው ኢትዮጵያ ሆኜ በጣም የሚገርምሽ ነገር አንዲት እናት በየቤቱ እየዞረች ትለምናለች። ልጅ ይዛለች፣ ልጅ አለ። ሴትዮዋ ግን እኮ ጤነኛ አይደለችም፣ እንደ እብድ ነው፣ እንደ እብድ ነገር ናት። ግን ልጇን ግን እንዴት ኪፕ እንደምታደርግ እንዴት እየለመነች እንደምታበል እንዴት እንደምታቅፋት ግን እኮ እሷ ጤነኛ አይደለችም። ግን ልጇን መጠበቅ እንዳለባት ደግሞ ታውቃለች። አሁን እሷ ሁሉ ነገር ቢመቻችላት ጤነኛ ሁላ ልትሆን ትችላለች። ይሄ የታመመችው ነገር ራሱ ሊድን ይችላል፣ ግን አልተመቻቸላት። እሺ ገንዘቡ የላትም፣ ድህነት ይዟታል። ስለዚህ ትዞራለች፣ ትለምናለች፣ ግን ልጇን ትይዛለች፣ ታበላታለች፣ ታጠጣታለች። ሰዎች ግን ምን ይሉ ነበር በዛን ጊዜ መሰልሽ? እቺ ሴትዮ ምን አለ ልጇን ብትሰጥ ወይ ለማደጎ ወይ ምናምን ጤነኛ አይደለችም ብለው እኮ ነው የሚያስቡት። ስለ ልጇ ሺ ካን ፔይ ኤኒ ፕራይስ ስላልተመቻትም በሽተኛ የመሰለችው ስላልተመቻትም እብድ የመሰለችው እንጂ ሺ ጤነኛ ብዬ ነው እኔ የማስባት። ግን የምትታየው እንደዛ ነው፣ እንደ ጤነኛ እንዳልሆነ። አልተመቻትም፣ ላይፍ አልተመቻትም፣ ኢንቫይሮንሜንቱ ለእሷ አልሆነላትም፣ አልሰራላትም። እና ሰው ግን ቢመቻችለት
But also, Mommy, that could have been her thing. Taking care of children or taking care of a child, being a mother. Because I think like there's a difference. I mean, so I believe that. Good. It doesn't mean that mefte has to be their job. I don't think that's what that means.
አልገባኝም አሁን ያልሽው።
Okay, so for example, it's a random example, but for example, Jesus was a carpenter.
Yeah.
But that was not what was in him. What was in him was saving the world.
Yeah.
He didn't get paid money to save the world. He just did it. Do you know what I mean? So it's just an example, but what we have in us, it does not have to be our job. Like, for some people, being a good mother, motherhood itself is a gift. Like, actually being a good mother is a gift. Like, that's a gift. Because, you know, there are many mothers, again, some of them are they just have a gift for being a mother. It's the same way how everybody cooks every day. Again, some people can cook very special. Like, they just have a gift for cooking. Your passion, it does not have to be linked with money, or your gift, or your the thing that you do, the thing that you have to do, or the thing that God has given you to do, the solution that you have does not have to be, you don't have to be paid for it. for it to be valid እንዲሆን ሰው solution መፍትሄው እንዲሰራ it doesn't have to be a job. It can be anything. Like I said,
Yes.
motherhood can be a gift. Cooking can be a gift, for example. Have you seen that kid in Ethiopia that's doing the fashion videos?
ማን ነበረ?
I can't remember his name, but he started posting videos on TikTok. Have you not seen his videos, Mommy?
ምን ነበረ ፖስት የሚያደርግ የነበረው?
Fashion videos.
ፋሽን ቪዲዮስ።
Wait. But anyway, everyone is loving this kid. Mommy. When I tell you, he's got millions and millions and millions of people watching him. Anyone, everybody wants to work with him. And now he's in Ethiopia, in a shoe shop or whatever, he's just using what he has around him. And now he's not doing a fashion show in New York City, in Milan. He's doing it የሚችለውን ያህል እየሰራ ነው ያለበት ቦታ. And that is just showing his gift. አሁን ይሄ ልጅ መንገድ ላይ ስታዩ you're like, oh, what a nice kid ያለሽ. You would never think that he has something in him like this. It's amazing.
በጣም የሚገርምሽ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ኢቭን ከትንንሽ ልጆች ራሱ እኔ በጣም የሚደንቅ ነገር አሁን የሆነ ሾው ላይ ነው ያየሁት። ትንሽ ልጅ ነው ልጁ ምን አለ፣ ድሃ በሰው መንገድ ሀብታም በራሱ መንገድ ይሄዳል አለ ማለት ነው። ልጁ ትንሽ ልጅ ነው እኮ ምናልባት 10 ዓመት ራሱ የሚሞላው አይመስልም። እዚህ ላይ ነው ሁል ጊዜ ለምሳሌ አንዳንድ ቦታ ሲሄድ ወይ ሰው ስጠብቅ ለምሳሌ ወይ እንዲያደርሱኝ ወይ የሆነ ነገር ብቻ ስጠብቅ ድሃ በሰው መንገድ ሀብታም በራሱ መንገድ ያለው በቃ ትዝ የሚለኝ ሁልጊዜ እለዋለሁ እንደውም በራሱ ማለት ነው።
Wait, what? So ድሃ በሰው መንገድ ሀብታም በራሱ
ድሃ
መንገድ
በሰው መንገድ ይሄዳል፣ ሀብታም በራሱ መንገድ። ለምሳሌ መኪና ለምሳሌ ሾፕ አድርገሽ ምን አድርገሽ መኪና ካለሽ ገብተሽ ትሄጃለሽ ወደ ቤትሽ አይደለ?
Yeah.
ድሃ ደግሞ ከሆንሽ ለምሳሌ መኪና በመኪና ነው ለምሳሌ ወይ ባልሽን አንቺ ካለሽ ማለት ነው ወይ ባልሽን ትጠሪዋለሽ አይደለ? እስኪ ትጠብቂያለሽ፣ እዚህ ቦታ ደርሼ እዚህ ቦታ ደርሼ እመጣለሁ ይልሻል። ትጠብቂያለሽ አንቺ እዛ። ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው የራሱን መንገድ ጨርሶ ነው አንቺ ጋር የሚመጣው አይደለ? ስለዚህ እኔ የምጠብቀው ምን ስለሆንኩኝ ነው? ስለሌለኝ ነው አይደለ? ግን መኪናው ቢኖረኝስ ሾፍ አድርጌ ወደ ቤት እና አባባሉ በቃ እንትን እላለሁ። ግን ልጅ ነው ከውስጡ ግን የሆነ የሚጠቅም ነገር ሁሌ በቃ የማይረሳ ማስታውሰው ነገር ሰጠኝ ማለት ነው። እና ምን ለማለት ነው በአጠቃላይ በሰው ሁሉ ውስጥ አለ ፖቴንሻል። ቦታ ሲያገኝ ልክ እንደ ተክል ጥሩ ነገር ሲመቻችለት አሁን ለምሳሌ አንድ ዘር መሬት ውስጥ አስገብተሽው ውሃ ካገኘ ፀሐይ ካገኘ እንደገና ደግሞ ምንድን ነው የሚያስፈልግ አፈር ነው ካገኘ ያድጋል አይደል? ከነዚህ ከሶስቱ አንዱ ከጎደለ እኮ ላያድግ ይችላል። ሲያገኝ ያድጋል። ሁሉ ነገር እንደዛ ነው የሚሆነው እና ግጥሙ በአጠቃላይ አዋልዱን እንውለድ።
Yeah, no, it's beautiful, Mummy. Thank you so much for sharing. And now I think like now it's easy to just talk about it, and now it's easy to say, you know, and use it. But I think people might be like, I think different people have different lives. Yeah, that's your situation. አላቸው የሚችሉበት የማይችሉበት reasons. But I think the only thing I would say is don't let fear, don't let like decision making ምናምን, don't let that stop you from doing things. ምክንያቱም የሆነ ነገር ውስጣችሁ ካለ or ውስጥሽ ካለ 100% when you're 75 years old, like my friend from church, you're still going to be thinking about it, doing something with it or using your gift. And that is because use it now, do it now. I think for me, I don't know what mine is, but I know የሆነ ጊዜ ነበረኝ የሆነ ውስጥ የሆነ ነገር ነበር የሆነ like maybe 10 years ago and now I used it as soon as I realized there was something in me I used it and now you know it changed my life like it changed my career it changed everything because I used it ልክ ሀሳቡ ራሱ ሲመጣ ነው የጀመርኩት ያን ስራ ያንን እንትን and now it changed my career and it, you know it changed everything for me. Mommy, ይሄ አለሽ የኔ እናንተ ጋር ነው አሁን እኔ ጋር ምንም የለም ምናምን የምትይ ነገር አለ አይመቸኝም ብዬሻለሁ already.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, you have to use it.
እየተጠቀምኩበት ነው። ባይ ዘ ዌይ ሌላ ምን ልልሽ እፈልጋለሁ ይመስለኝ።
Wait. What are you? Is it the poetry? The poetry.
ግን ምልሽ ነው
No, የተጠቀምኩበት ነው አልሽኝ. What is it? Like what is the thing that must be
እየተጠቀምኩበት ነው። አዎ ምን እየተጠቀምኩበት ነው። ግጥሞቼ እንኳን ወጡ ቃል ወጣላቸው። ይሄ እኮ ለእኔ ታዲያ እንዴ ታይምኝነት ማለት እኮ ነው። ጽፌ ቁጭ ከኔ ይኸው
So you think ያንቲ ውስጥ ያሉ ግጥሞቹ ናቸው?
አዎ ግጥሞቼ መውጣታቸው ደስ ብሎኛል እና ብዙ ናቸው። ለሰዎች ይጠቅማሉ ብዬ አስባለሁ። ያስተምራሉ፣ ያንጻሉ ብዬ አምናለሁ።
I guess the conclusion is from my side, don't. Okay, what is my conclusion? So let me tell you a story before we conclude. I have one more story to tell. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. When I was, I don't know, 10 or 11, I was really, I promised myself something. I said to myself, I was looking at people around me, people in their 30s, in their 40s, even their 20s. They were just living normal lives. They were just like living life. And now, the thing is with me, I talk to older people all the time. I still do that. And now I used to ask them, what did you want to be when you were a child? What did you want to be when you were a child? me.
No.
And now they used to tell me their dreams, the dreams that they had. And now I would be like, oh, so what did you do? And they'll be like, oh, you know, I'm not doing anything. And below, they would tell me their story. And I promised myself when I was young, I don't remember my age, maybe 10, 11, 12, I don't know. I will never be that person. I will never give up on my dreams, ever. Like, I will never, life be, I will never give up. That is a promise that I made to myself when I was a child. Because I saw the people around me giving up. And I was like, oh, I don't want that for myself. That's not the life I want for me. I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know. Whatever it is, I'm going to try my best to achieve my dreams, or I'm going to try my best to live the life that I dreamt of. Because why not? Like, what? Why not? You get one life, just live it. Like, have a good time. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
So don't let fear stop you. Don't let giving up stop you. There are so many dead dreams in the graveyard staging, cemetery staging. People have died, but still have so many dreams have died with them. That you cannot let yourself be one of those people. And I'm not saying like, you know, build the biggest business in the world. I'm just saying, do your best today. Do something small for yourself. Just let us out, do something small. Let this kid, this Ethiopian kid, be your inspiration. Look at it. Like, if there's something in you, cultivate it. Even in that coach, in a busy coach, if your thing is singing, just practice at home. Or something. Like, give yourself that time. If you love painting, just do one painting a month. Just simple. Just give yourself time to grow and build. Don't stress yourself into doing something, you know, amazing tomorrow. Again, your nigger kinda just look in the lid, see what lid baby see one, you take care of it, you feed it and it's the same with the solutions you have in your heart and the dreams God is giving you. Just feed it. Let it grow. let it be something. Yeah, and I'm very passionate about this topic. Anyway, continue, mommy.
በጣም ትልቅ ነገር ነው። እኔ በአንቺ እገርማለሁኝ። ምንድን ነው የምገረመው? ዩኒቨርሲቲ ገባሽ። ሰው ዩኒቨርሲቲ ገብቶ ተምሮ ጨርሶ ነው የሚወጣው። ሌላ የሚያስበው ነገር ያለ አይመስለኝም። አንቺ ግን በዛን ጊዜ የሆነ ሂደን ስካር
Mm-hmm.
ቤት አደረግሽ ማለት ነው። በጣም ነው የሚገርመኝ። በቃ እንዲህ ምን ታይም አግኝታ እንዴት አሰበችው? በጣም ይገርመኝ ነበር ማለት ነው። እና ግን እሱ ብዙ ቦታ ሊድ እንዳደረገሽ አሁን ያለሽበት እስክትደርሽ እንድትደርሺ ሁሉ መንገድ የከፈተ ነገር ነው። ገና እኮ አፍራ ቤት ነው ያለሽው አንቺ አይደለ? እና አለሽ ይሄ ተነሳስቶ ውስጥሽ ያለውን ነገር የማድረግ ፖቴንሻል አንቺ ውስጥ አያለሁኝ እኔ ብዙ ጊዜ እና ትልቅ ነገር ነው እና ኪፕ ኢት አፕ እና
Me, I also want you to follow your dreams. I want that for you so much, mommy. I don't want you to give up. You're not allowed to give up. I mean, I'm your child. I will never let you give up. Never.
ይሄም እኮ ያንቺ ነው። ይሄም እኮ ኢንካሬጅመንት አንቺ ነሽ። እኔ ያላሰብኩት ነገር ነው እና ግን ሁልጊዜ ገጥሞቼን እጽፍና አሁን የት ሊቀርቡ ነው? ምንድን ያደረጉት ምናምን እልና ግን ብቻ ዝም ብዬ ሲመጣልኝ ግን ዝም ብዬ ያው በቃ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ምን ይባላል መሰለሽ ይዞ መገኘት የሚባል ነገር አለ። ይዞ መገኘት ለብዙ ነገር ነው። ለምሳሌ አንቺ የሆነ ያልሽው ነገር ካለ በሆነ አጋጣሚ ስታወጪው በዛው በር ይከፈትልሻል በህይወት ተርኒንግ ፖይንት የሚሆነው የዛን ጊዜ ነው እና አሁን ስላስቀመጥኩት ነው አሁን ይሄ ነገር ሲጀመር አይሽ ቶሎ ወደዛ መግባት የሆነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ this is turning point for me እና በጣም አመሰግናለሁ የኔ ቆንጆ። Thank you so much.
That makes me so happy. Yeah. Okay, great. Well, thank you, mommy, for this conversation. Thank you for listening. Berchi, atutfu. Come back, subscribe. Please subscribe, by the way. I know my mum is very humble. Oh, Salasa, Minaman, so thank you so much. But I'm telling you, subscribe. What do you mean, Adi? It's free. It's free. Yeah, encourage us.
ለእናንተ ምንም ኮስት አያደርጋችሁም። ጀስት ፕሬስ ነው። ለእኛ ደግሞ ይጠቅመናል። ሌላው ደግሞ ቪዲዮችን በለቀቅን ቁጥር ይደርሳቸዋል።
ያ
ለማለት ነው።
ያ
በጣም ደስ ብሎናል። በተለይ ባለፈው ሳምንት የለቀቅነው ቪዲዮ ላይ በጣም ደስ ብሎናል። በቃ ብዙ ተመልካች ስለነበረው መሴጆቻችን ብዙ ቦታ ስለደረሱልን ልናመሰግናችሁ እንወዳለን። አሁንም እንድትከታተሉ እንጋብዛችኋለን። ከዚህ በበለጠ ደግሞ አዳዲስ ርዕሶች ተመልሰን እንመጣለን እና እናመሰግናችኋለን።
Yeah, thank you. We love you. And I love you, mommy.
Bye. I love you too. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time. Bye.
Say it again, straight from the